Today's objective was simple, to catch as many stocked trout as I could on streamers, so naturally I had to call it stripping for stockers. Well, we do end up catching some fish. I end up falling down pretty good. And overall, it was a really good day and we caught a bunch of fish. So I hope you enjoy this video and I'll show you a few of the highlights of what's to come. Thanks.
That's my big hind imprint right there. Of course, as I'm making fun of myself, I catch a fish. Life's about balance. I had so many swing on it, but none of them have taken it. Dang it. Got one. Finally. Pretty fish. Real pretty fish. That's slick. Oh. We got one. He's not real happy, is he? Quit. I don't want to get down there and fall in. It's another good fish, though. Got him. Come on, buddy. Another. That one's tiny, but we'll take him. That's my big hind imprint right there. Got back in there where I wanted. Man, I did a number on that dirt there. That ground may never be the same after my hind end hit it. Oh. Of course, as I'm making fun of myself, I catch a fish. Life's about balance. I ain't definitely not going back down there to get it. As you can see, I cannot be trusted down there. Really pretty fish. Thanks, buddy. That's some of my best work, really. Looks like I firmly implanted both cheeks.
This is future me, and I just noticed that my line is wrapped around my rod, and it's like that for a really long time, and I don't know if I ever noticed it, so we'll see.
That's hilarious. I was just about to recast. Got one. Thought I saw him back here. That's a pretty fish. It's a different looking fish for a stalker. Doesn't look normally like a stalker looks. Alright, let's see if we can get another one. Got one. Just seeing them rise and then throwing a woolly bugger in there. That's a bluegill. That's hilarious. Didn't expect that. Pretty fish. Oh, there's one swinging at it. He didn't hit it though. I might just let it drift. Got one. Oh, I had one tag on it. Got one. That's a better one. I may have messed up and put a big one in here on accident. Get over here. He ain't too big. But we're glad to have him. Pretty fish. Thanks, buddy. Oh, he's confused. There he goes. Oh, I had one swing on it. Why? Oh, it's like they want it like sporadic. Got him. Saw him come hit it. Get over here, buddy. Real pretty fish. Real pretty fish. Wow. Oh, someone come for it. Let it sit for a second. Oh, got him. They're feisty. He's real feisty, my goodness. Get over here. How do you use the net? There we go. Pretty.
Well, that's all I have for you today. I really appreciate you all watching as always, and I hope you enjoyed it.